deep knowledge.
with supervision.
Here, our respected teachers help us to learn and progress in our studies as well as in our lives. Their scolding at times lead us to improvement.
Students are free to speak to teacher about studies or any other matter.
The environment is very clean. Teachers are also friendly according to the situation. The practical learning are also carried out for crystal clear concept.
While talking about studies, all basic concepts are cleared first. After every chapter, there is a doubt clearing session. I always learn something that challenges my perspective and I enjoy doing so.
Our aim is not just to score good marks but also to increase the self-confidence of students. For this, the test of various concepts and various chapters are taken on weekly basis.
This is the first time I have attended a class in this format and wondered how effective supervision can be and help us in our studies.
We are provided with daily test paper that makes our concept clear. Our subjective tests are also taken to make us prepare for both too.
Speaking about the manager Farhan sir, a person who never steps back in serving knowledge, providing personal support and satisfying our ordinary needs, though it is for snacks or tea. A person who is just kind, loving and supporting towards students and other staff members too. We must say that we are incomplete without him.